How to make recipes on MyFitnesspal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the MyFitnesspal app on your device. Then make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to make a recipe on MyFitnesspal, you simply want to follow these steps. First of all, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and tap on the Recipes, Meals and Food option. Here you have three categories: recipes, meals, and foods. If you want to make a new recipe, tap on Create a Recipe option. Creating recipes will help you to save time logging ingredients in the future. Here you have two options. Number one is to add from the web. If your recipe is online, it can be automatically imported with the ingredients for you to review. However, you can also choose to enter your recipe ingredients by hand. If you want to enter ingredients manually, tap on the second option. Here you first want to enter the recipe name, then enter the serving. Now tap on the next option. Here tap on the Add Ingredients option. Now we want to add all the ingredients. After that is done, tap on this check mark option. Now tap on the next option. As you can see, the calorie has been automatically calculated. So you have calories, carbs, fat, protein, all the details given over here, which you can review it. Now tap on the save option. And as you can see, you have successfully made a new recipe. You can follow these same steps to create a new recipe from here as well. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comments section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.